So, that's what I'm saying na nga. O, diba? Ang ganda ng kilay. Tuk, 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 tuk.
Hi guys, this is Quetz. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
Good morning, guys! Yan, quick review ng, what do you call this? Na itong all-natural ingredients by Hajar, yung castor oil nila. Ayan, tanan. Kasi 4 days pa lang, guys, may effect na yung nangyari sa kilay ko. Papakita ko sa inyo yung, without the filter. Yan. Ito ang without filter na eyebrow ko. Yan. Pasensya na, kagigising lang ng lola nyo. Ayan siya, guys. So, kumapal. You know that I love makapal na kilay kasi yan ay pampabata. Regardless kung ano ang sabihin nila. O, diba? Kilay is life! Yun lang! I use it every night lang. Pati dito. Pero wala pa akong masyado kikitang result. Only on this side. O, diba? Very quick lang. Castor oil, yes. Yung mga benefits ng castor oil, I will put here. Pero anyway, the main benefits of castor oil is haba ng hair. Or yeah, ginagamit siya para to make your hair grow faster. O, diba? Yun na yun. So, I'm gonna use it on my kilay. I've used it on my kilay for 3 to 4 days already. And then, it works for me. Tapos yung dito, so I'm still checking. Pero medyo kumapal na rin yung aking guys. So, ayan. Yung ang tawag dito, yung eyebrow. Yun, dahil ginamit ko ang castor oil. This is castor oil from all natural ingredients by Hajar. I'll show you the clips. Pinapakapal ko. Yan. This is my actually 4th day. I'm using this castor oil from all natural ingredients by Hajar. Wala siya na meron akong ganito. I was actually looking lang for normal castor oil. Pero nakita ko siya. Medyo kumakapal na siya. And I'm loving it. Ayan na. Diba? Kumakapal ang kilay ng lola niya. Pwede din dito. Check na rin natin. Kala nyo kung papal din. At nawawala na ng hair yung lola niyo dahil sa water dito. Ayan. Malay nyo naman kumapal, diba? Let's see! Good night. So, that's what I'm saying na nga. O, diba? Ang ganda ng kilay. Tuk, 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 tuk. Ayan. Wala nang filter yan. Yung lipstick lang siguro filter. Wala din. O, ayan, lipstick filter. Pero yung kilay, walang filter yan, guys. Ayan, ang natural kilay. Anyways, I will show you yung clips, some of the clips na pag may makeup on ako kung anong issue ng kilay. O, diba? Anyways, if you don't feel like yung medyo makapal na kilay, depende kasi sa inyo yun. Pero I rather prefer yung kilay. And it's uso na nga yung makapal na kilay! Anyways, that's it. And my feedback is I love it. It's all natural ingredients by Hajar. You better try it out. Bye!
Kada umaga nagtitipo na sa tabi. Daig pa nila ang mga CCTV. Lumayo ka na kung ayaw mong matapik.